Hello, welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we are taking a look at some of the interior and exterior features on the 2017 GMC Sierra 1500. This comes in the black color. It also has the Denali trim to it. We have a rear view camera inside, heated and cooled front seats, as well as a truck cover and a lift kit already applied. Now onto the interior of the Sierra. Going left, we have our chrome door handle. Above it, we have our seat controls, as well as below, we have all of our mirror controls, our locks, our window controls, and then below that, we have some storage, a speaker in front of that. To the left of the steering wheel, we have our trailer assist, our drive select, and our lighting controls. Moving above the steering wheel, we have our display cluster. In the middle, we have a digital speedometer as well as a compass. And then on the left side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise control, our forward collision warning, and our heated steering wheel. On the right-hand side of it, we have all of our hands-free. And in the middle, we have our central console that has our hands-free on it, as well as our navigation and backup camera. Below that, we have our dual zone climate control, as well as our heated seats to the left and right for the front seats. They also have cooling. And down here, we have our brake assist, our interior bed lighting, our area detections, our lane keep assist, and our downhill assist. And below that, we have some power and some storage. And then we have 2 cup holders. And then in our center console, we have a wireless charging pad. And below, plenty of storage and some additional power and USBs on the sides. Our seats are black leather with the Denali logo printed on the top, and they are also heated. And up to the rear view mirror, we have our OnStar support. Then above, we have all of our controls for our garage door opener and our sunroof controls. Onto the side of the vehicle, we can see that we have our lift kit applied, as well as some custom Moto metal tires. We also have the chrome tip door handles and mirror. Moving towards the back of it, we can see on the corner, we have our step up. And in the middle, we have our towing. And then we have a cover onto the top of it. And then inside, we have interior lighting for our trunk, as well as plenty of space. Inside the rear of the vehicle, we once again have our chrome door handle, our window controls, some storage and a cup holder. In the back of the seats, we have magazine holders, some more storage. In the middle, we have all of our black leather throughout. And then in the middle, we have 2 additional cup holders. And then on the far side, once again, some more storage. Thank you for joining me for this walk around of the 2017 GMC Sierra 1500. We hope to see you at Westgate Chevrolet soon, and please subscribe for more daily videos.